Hey guys, so today this look is just a glitter eyeliner look, as you can see here. If you'd like to see more, please keep on watching.
Just gonna tell you how I feel.
Okay, to start off this look, I'm using the shades Canvas and Define Me, and this is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm taking a different brush and I'm going in with the shade Evolve, and this is going to really define where I'm going to be cutting those areas. Now I'm just going back in with my fluffy brush, and this is going to just smoothen everything out and really blend it together, making it more seamless. I'm now taking the shade Cut Crease, and this is really going to define our crease where we will be cutting our crease. Now on a more packable brush, we're going to be taking the color Mask and really just defining it even more. Taking that brush to blend it out, but still keeping it sharp. Then again, the fluffy brush, because you want to just always go back in and fluff everything up. I'm taking an angled brush with my Maybelline Face Studio Master Conceal Concealer, and I'm really just carving out half of that crease where we'll be putting a shimmer shade on top, and then I'm going to be cutting out on the other side where the glitter will be going. Now on a finer, smaller brush, I'm going to be taking the color Mask again to really define all the edges so we don't get rid of the sharpness of the look. Now I am really cutting out where we will be adding the glitter. I sped things up in this part of the video a little bit because it took me a little while, but you really want to make sure that you take as much time as you need and don't rush. The thing I wish about this eye that I did differently is I wish that I'd angled it more like a wing as I did on the other side. Right here, I'm just adding a shimmer shade. I don't remember which shade it is, but any shimmer shade will do. Now I'm using my favorite glitter. It's by Decay. It's the heavy metal brush-on glitter, and I'm just going to be applying this like a wing on all the areas that we cut out with concealer. Now I'm going to be taking the Dream Street palette from ColourPop, and I'm going to be taking the lightest pink shade. I'm highlighting my inner corner and under my brow bone. Now, and I'm not using lashes today, so I'm using this fiber mascara. And then you've seen me moved on to prepping my face and pushing my hair back. I just used 2 layers of lotion, and it really helps during the winter when my skin's dry. Now, this is my First Aid Beauty Primer. I've been testing it out. I'm not so sure how I feel about it. On my forehead, it tends to accentuate my texture, but it is good on the nose and the face, and it's very moisturizing. Now I'm going to be taking my foundation stick from Makeup Forever. I'm in the shade Vanilla. I'm just going to be spreading this out around my face, and I do want to say that after this video I stopped using it on my forehead because I didn't like the way it was looking. And I'm just using a brush to blend this out, and I'm putting it on my neck and blending that out as well. As long as taking a beauty blender to really blend it out. That's the thing about this foundation, is I was having a rough time with that. And then I'm taking concealer with my little Sephora sponge under the eyes and using the same Maybelline concealer as before. I'm applying powder. I'm using the Airspun loose powder in the shade Beige, I think. And I'm just putting this under my eyes and all over. And then now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, I'm just using the shades that work best for me along my cheekbones. Next, I'm going to be taking my blush. It's about to show up here. There, yeah, it broke, so that's what I was upset about. But yeah, this brush is Wet n Wild. It's a really pretty coral color, and I believe it's only $4 at Walmart. And then this is my Smashbox highlighter. It's just a traveling set. And now I'm going to be taking my Lorac Pro palette, and I'm going to be using just a brown from there under my eyes to balance the weight of the whole look on top. And to finish the look, I am applying some glitter on my inner corners as well to really open them up. For my bottom lashes, I will be taking the Big Eyes Maybelline mascara and using the bottom lashes portion for my bottom lashes. And that's the look. Bye. I'll see you in my next one.